Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll share a very quick recipe of my favorite yogurt salad. It's very quick and easy, slimming world friendly, and I always pair it with vegetable rice. Vegetable rice, or I would say Chinese fried rice, is my favorite on Slimming World. So to start off with, we will chop all the salad. As you can see, my husband is helping here. I'm making use of his chopping skills, which I am very bad at. So to get started, we'll take cucumber, tomato and onions, very finely chopped. And I took low-fat natural plain yogurt. However, I ran out of that tub, so I'm taking a few spoons from natural yogurt. If you're following Slimming World, then definitely stick to low-fat. Now I'm adding all the chopped salad that I have, and I will garnish it with my favorite spices. I will show you one spice that is going to enhance the flavor really well, so stay tuned. Add salt to taste and little bit of red chili powder. Now my favorite bit, I will take 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and I will dry roast them on any non-stick pan. Cumin seeds are actually very good for health. They help you lower cholesterol and also help in weight loss. They play a vital role in digestion and helps you feel less bloated. So as you can see, they have changed their color and they have started to crackle. They're nearly ready. I'll wait a couple of minutes before I turn off the flame and keep them aside. Make sure you transfer it from the pan as they will burn out. Once they cool down, you can crush them a little bit, either with spoon or with your hands. If you're making in a big quantity, then make sure you use rolling pin on any chopping board. It will actually crush them really well. Because I've made a very small batch, I'm not bothered using rolling pin. So sprinkle it over your salad and enjoy it with your meals. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.